Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to see how you can schedule your post on your Facebook page. So for example, I have created my post. This is the post content and this is the picture. So my post is ready. I want to post it. But then I realized that I've already posted something for today, right? So what I need to do is I need to postpone or schedule it to the next day. So how can we do that? If you see here, we cannot see this schedule your post option directly. So what we need to do is first of all, just copy the content, select all and copy, and then I'll go to Meta Business Suite. We need to create this post again. It's very simple. I'll go to create. Just on the top right corner, I'll click on this drop down and click on create post. I'll create the post from here. So let's add the photo. This one was my photo and this is the text that I just copied. So this is the post and all done. You can add to get more messages. Let's add button. So now it will look like this. And now you can choose between publish now or schedule. So let's schedule that. And let's post that on 20th, the Thursday, 2023, and at, let's say 2 p.m. right? So let's schedule this and we are done. Maybe later. So you need to check back your Facebook page again for tomorrow. And this is how you can schedule your post on the Facebook page. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.